Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the engine coolant here on Volkswagen Tiguan 3rd generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics. If you have problems with the engine coolant here, we'll explain where you can expect to find it. After that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. The engine coolant heater, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, guys. First thing what we need to do, we need to open the hood facing the engine on the right side now. That on the driver's side is the main engine fuse box. Right here under that cover. What we have to do is slide these things to the front, lift the cover up. Okay, and you're going to have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Guys, this is the 2012 to 2017 fuse box after the facelift. Okay, now there is very limited information about that. We'll explain about the 2012 to 2017 model Volkswagen Tiguan, then we'll explain about 2008 to 2011. There is a little bit more information, but most likely we'll recommend to check fuse 23 and 24, but inspect all of the fuses, because again, there is quite limited information. Now, if you have a 2008 to 2011 model, guys, okay, we're talking about fuse number 24. And we're talking about this 10M fuse that you see right here that you will need to check. Now, what about the relays? Guys, you have hidden relays in that car. Let me show you where. You might need to check 2 relays. Okay, and depending on the year and model, things may differ. The relays are under the steering wheel, some of them above the fuse box. You may have these relays, you may have another block of relays here as well, and you have some hidden behind the dash there as well. Now we have a special video about relay, Volkswagen Tiguan relay location and diagram. Check it out, it will teach you all about that, but we took pictures to show you. Now it could be, guys, okay, that you have that relay diagram, okay, above the fuse box, and here we recommend, okay, to check now different relays. We're talking about relay, okay, 7 and 9, this and this relay. Okay, if you want to see the diagram, it will look like this one, 7 and 9, and you may have, guys, okay, this one as well. And here we recommend to check, okay, if you have that one specifically, relay number 7, the diagram looks like this one. We're talking about that relay right here, but those are the relay and fuses that we usually guys check here at the garage. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.